Let's jump up to it. You won. It will write out you won, reset the player life to 200, reset the position of up to 1x and 1y, which is up here. It will print the maze and it will print the player again. So that's pretty basic stuff. And when it's done running the function, it will jump down again, run the break so it doesn't like continue. And the next case is S, and it's pretty much the same, or almost the same, but of course when I press S I want the player to move, the player symbol to move down, and that means it's +1 on the y-axis. Like I explained before, y-axis is downwards. Yeah, and this is just the same. And for the, if I press the A key, it will, instead of the y-axis, it will control the x-axis, meaning that I wanted to move left, and it will go back one time on the x-axis, like that. And of course D is just the same, but it's +1 on the x-axis, so this way, right, like that. And again break like before. Last up we got just a simple if sentence. If the player life is smaller or equal to 0, it will just say you lost the game. You could of course do something like the function you won, so making a function like you lost and then running a function with some specific things happening. Yeah, but I didn't do that. So I guess that's it. Just gonna run through it so you can see the maze in action. Losing quite a bit of hit points, and if I hit the exclamation mark, I won. And it stays, it says you won, but it disappears pretty fast, and it just resets the game. But the enemies are still there, so it'll get harder and harder. And it's not intentional, but just choose to keep it. I guess it makes the maze harder and harder for every time you run it, because more enemies will spawn, and the enemies from the round before will still be there. So yeah, in future you can make like different levels. If you hit the exclamation mark, it will run a new maze with a new layout and new types of enemies, maybe some plus signs for which gives hit points instead of enemies taking hit points away, and yeah, there's a lot of possibilities. But that's it for now. I'm done. Bye.